we work hard for our money, right? We do, whether we realize it or not, whether you work 4 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours, and I know a lot of you in the audience are fairly young, but one thing you'll start learning once you get out of high school is that time starts to move a whole lot faster than it did after the age of 17, than it did when you were 12, 13, etc. And the reason for that is because all through your school years, you wanted to speed up life, right? So I can hurry up and get out of high school and so on and so forth. But then once you get out of high school, now you're like, oh my God, you know what I mean? My time, my time. I look up and my time is gone. So a lot of you guys that work full-time jobs, you know what I'm talking about. Some of you, work with your hands. Some of you work with your minds. Some of you do a little bit of both. And one thing is for certain, and another is for sure, is that that boss wants those hours, right? That boss wants that time, right? They don't look at you and say, well, whatever, 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 right? They want those hours, they want that time, and you have to give it up. And so the goal is, if you must work that hard for your money, the least that can happen is that your money should work harder for you. So the quick question is, how do we make our money work harder? Well, there's a few things that we want to get to understand at an early age in our life. And that is, there are things out there that you guys can absolutely get used to help yourselves learn how to get your money to work harder. Now, some of these tools we've talked about in passing, but I wanted to make sure we made it crystal clear that I call these my under 30 or under 35 entry level products that you can literally start today. And when you want to talk about how do you get your money to work harder, these are the types of things. Products like Wable, Robinhood, Acorns, Stash. These are apps that you can download to your phone. As a matter of fact, once we're done with this meeting, for those who attended, I'll send you a special invite to some of these products. And you can go ahead and start playing around with these products with as little as $5 per pay period, $10 per pay period. Now, for those of you that say, well, $5 or $10, that's not a whole lot of money. What I say to you is to recognize this. Many of us have done a lot more worse things with 5, 10, and $15 and put them in investment platforms like this. So again, what can we do to get our money to work harder? We can start learning how to use these simple tools, very user-friendly tools, right on our cell phones, and we can download these apps and immediately start to link them up to our banks and begin to put 5, 10, $15. Again, as you begin to grow and mature in your spending, you'll begin to be able to increase those dollar amounts. So that's one of the ways you guys can get started today.